Welcome to our channel. If you want to upgrade your United Airlines seat, follow these step-by-step instructions to enjoy enhanced comfort. Step 1. Visit united.com or open the United Airlines mobile app and log into your Mileage Plus account. Step 2. Navigate to My Trips and enter your confirmation number and last name to access your flight reservation. Step 3. Select the flight you want to upgrade and look for available upgrade options displayed on the booking details page. Step 4. Review the available upgrade options, which may include premium economy, business class, or first class, depending on the aircraft and route. Step 5. Check if you're eligible for complimentary upgrades based on your Mileage Plus status. Premier members often receive priority upgrade consideration. Step 6. If purchasing an upgrade, click on your preferred cabin class and review the cost in miles or dollars. Step 7. Confirm your payment method and complete the purchase. Paid upgrades are confirmed immediately, while complimentary upgrades may clear closer to departure. Step 8. After upgrading, your new boarding pass will reflect your upgraded seat assignment. Check in online before your flight to receive your updated boarding pass. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.